I want to make a Hall effect thruster with no experience whatsoever. This is day 9. What is specific impulse? Specific impulse, or ISP, is a measure of how efficiently a rocket uses propellant. In simple terms, it tells you how much thrust an engine can produce for each unit of propellant it burns.
Think of it like your car's miles per gallon. A car with a higher miles per gallon travels further on the same amount of gas. Likewise, a rocket engine with a higher specific impulse gets more performance out of the same amount of propellant.
The general equation for ISP is provided above, and we can take what we've learned from the past video to find the equation as it relates to Hall thrusters, giving this here. As an example, we can plug in a few values for a 500 watt Hall thruster using argon propellant, and we get a specific impulse of about 3,900 seconds. Comparing that with a typical ISP of a Falcon 9 rocket, you can see how ion thrusters are one of the most efficient methods of space propulsion ever developed. Now, there are some crucial trade-offs that come with higher specific impulses, and these are primarily dependent on the applications you need it for. Higher specific impulses come at the expense of a lower thrust, so it takes much longer to accelerate a Hall thruster than it does a conventional rocket. It's like if you're racing, you would want to use a car like a Lamborghini, but if you want to go on a road trip without spending too much money on gas, you'd prefer a Prius instead. This is why, for situations where fuel conservation is essential, Hall thrusters provide the perfect solution for deep space travel, which is the main reason I was captivated with them in the first place. See you soon.